Wear a welding mask. A welding mask is required to protect against sparks, heat, and UV radiation. Use in welding or cutting zones only with proper shielding. Wear safety belts sign. Safety belts must be worn when operating vehicles or machinery. They prevent serious injury in sudden movement or collision. Disconnect before carrying out maintenance or repair. All power sources must be disconnected before servicing equipment. This prevents accidental startup and electrical hazards. Use barrier cream. Apply protective skin cream before and after work. It shields hands from irritants, chemicals, or contaminants. Use footbridge. You must use the designated footbridge to cross safely. Avoid crossing through hazardous or restricted areas. Use this walkway. Follow the marked pedestrian route. It keeps you safely away from vehicles or machinery.